Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to invite friends in Real Racing 3. Inviting friends to race with you in Real Racing 3 is a fantastic way to enhance your gaming experience. First of all, open up Real Racing 3 app on your device and ensure that your Real Racing 3 account is linked to a supported social platform. You can connect via Facebook, Google Play Games, or Apple. I have just connected my game with my Facebook account. Once you've done that, from the home page, go ahead and tap on this little leaderboard icon in front of the gear button, which is located at the bottom left. And from the leaderboard page, you will see a little invite friends button. Tap on it. Now, you have an option to invite Facebook friends. Simply tap the Facebook logo and click done. Now go ahead and log in using your Facebook account's credential when you are taken to this Facebook login screen. Now you can go ahead and find your friends you want to invite to Real Racing 3. Simply select your friends you want to invite, tap the plus button right next to their name, and then click on send at the top right. Soon after you do that, wait for your friends to join into the game with your invitation link and the race will begin. You can enjoy the race and may the best driver win. So that's how you can easily invite friends to join in Real Racing 3. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.